Ng bouquet ng nasa loob ng ating accredited box ay magyayaman. Lucky, di ba? So, ladies, smile on the camera. And Lucky. Alright, this is our Lucky Girl Challenge. Pag tinawag ko yung isa, hahanap kayo ng susi. Kailangan nyo itry at pag nabuksan, automatically, kayo ang ating lucky girl. So ladies, baba at humanap kayo ng susi. Ready? Please find your keys. I'm on fire. Get one. 1, 2. Bawal na pumili. Ayun. Ayun. Alright. Dito tayo and on my cue. Let's have our first. Ready? Try it. Hindi nagbukas. Next. Oh! Ayaw. Okay, hindi pa rin. Unsuccessful. Ayaw. Hindi match. Ready? Sino kaya ang may hawak ng lucky? No? Check it. Whoop! Congratulations! Kunin mo na? Yes? Woo! Ilang taon ka na? 27. Uy! That's a very age. But you're still single? Single pa rin. Malay mo, dito natin makahanap yung ating lucky boy naman sa buha.